Welcome back, guys. So right now I want to log in my X account into the Mozilla Firefox. So I'm going to search for Firefox. It's as simple as that. If you don't know where it is, just search for Firefox and you see it right now. So I'm searching for Firefox and this is the software. So I'm going to open that. I have it already. I have it on my system before, like I said. I just had to reinstall it for you to know how to go about installing the Firefox browser. So right now you come to Twitter's homepage, which is x.com. So I'm going to come to x.com. I have my personal account there. So but I want to start afresh. All I have to do is to click on this and I'm going to say add an existing account. So I want to add the account I had here on Chrome. I want to bring it to Firefox because of the automation tools we'll be using. So right now my login details is all about signing in with Google. So let me try and do that. Let me try and sign in with Google. So I'm going to bring in Mimazon Media. Yes, Mimazon Media is the mail. So I'm going to bring that in mimazonmedia@gmail.com. That will be my Gmail. And I'm going to next and I'm going to add my password. Right now I just inputted the right password and I'm going to be able to log in into the Gmail account. And this Gmail account is what I'm going to use to log into my Twitter. So I just use that to sign in right now. I just use the Gmail account to sign in into Twitter or X using Firefox. So right now I have the account here on Firefox where I want it to be, and we can start doing whatever we want to do right now. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.